At Amazon, we have all kinds of roles, from entry-level positions to senior management ones, all around the world. We have several teams based at our Barcelona corporate offices, and one of the biggest teams is the Customer Trust and Partner Support team. The team focuses on creating a trustworthy shopping experience by protecting customers, brands, selling partners, and Amazon from fraud and abuse, and on providing world-class support for Amazon selling partners. For this team, we look for candidates who are fluent in English and speak a second language. They may have previous experience, but we welcome also recent graduates. At Amazon, we look for leaders. That is why the core of our culture are 14 leadership principles which represent every Amazonian. Depending on the role, we choose the principles that are especially vital and that we look for in a candidate. I would say that in general, we look for someone who has a big sense of ownership and customer obsession. At Amazon, our priority is always customer satisfaction. If you want to help us in our mission to be Earth's most customer-centric company, you should definitely join us. To accomplish this mission, we invest in talent and create a great working environment. Amazon employees are encouraged to enter different roles, take on new challenges, and learn new skills. Our internal transfer opportunities and expanding career development programs help employees to build their career. As an employee, you are the owner of your career and growth. Apart from development and learning opportunities, I like working at Amazon because its environment and culture. Amazon is committed to diversity and inclusion. We encourage our employees to bring their authentic, original, and best selves to work. Amazon is present around the globe. It was founded in 1994 by Jeff Bezos in the USA. We are an e-commerce company, and you may know us from our virtual assistant, Alexa, that is used in smart speakers Amazon Echo. You may know us from our Kindles, a series of ebooks. Maybe you know about us because you're a Prime Video user, or you just make your day-to-day shopping through Amazon Prime Now. Some of the countries where we have offices and logistics centers are the USA, Turkey, Egypt, Italy, the UK, Spain, Czech Republic, Poland. We're over 800,000 employees worldwide. For a comparison, this is close to the entire population of Seattle, or more locally, the entire province of Girona or Tarragona. In Spain, we are around 7,000 employees, but we are always looking for new talent.